In this captivating video, we explore how early Homo erectus and our ancient ancestors discovered and harnessed fire around 5 million years ago. From accidental sparks in the savannas of Africa to controlled flames that revolutionized cooking, toolmaking, and social life. Discover how this pivotal breakthrough sparked brain growth, extended lifespans, and laid the foundation for modern civilization. Once upon a time, when giant woolly mammoths roamed the land and thick forests stretched as far as the eye could see, lived a small band of early humans. They were hardy folk, clothed in animal hides, their lives dictated by the rhythms of nature. One day, a fierce storm raged through their territory. Lightning split the sky, and a tall pine tree was struck, bursting into flames. The early humans watched in terror and awe as the orange glow danced and crackled, consuming the wood. Once the fire died down, they cautiously approached. They found warmth radiating from the still smoldering embers, a welcome relief from the biting cold. They also discovered something astonishing. A small animal caught in the blaze was now cooked, and when they tentatively tasted it, it was unlike anything they had ever eaten before, tender and flavorful. From that day on, they became drawn to fire. They learned to keep a watchful eye on natural fires, sometimes even managing to carry a burning branch back to their shelter, nursing the precious embers to keep the warmth and the strange, wonderful cooked food coming. One day, one tribe member, while chipping away at a piece of flint to make a sharper tool, he struck it against another stone, and a shower of sparks flew out. One tiny spark landed on a pile of dry moss, and to his utter amazement, a wisp of smoke curled upwards, followed by a tiny flame. He called out to his tribe, who rushed over, their eyes wide with wonder. They watched as he carefully added more dry tinder, coaxing the small flame into a bigger one. It was a momentous occasion. For the first time, they had created fire themselves. The knowledge of how to make fire spread quickly through the small band. Their lives were forever changed. They could now have light in the darkness, keeping away fearsome predators like wolves and saber-toothed cats. They could cook their food, making it easier to digest and warding off sickness. The warmth of the fire allowed them to venture into colder territories and survive harsh winters. Gathered around the crackling flames, they shared stories, strengthened their bonds, and took the first steps on a long journey of innovation. All thanks to the day they learned the secret of the dancing light.